We are packing up the car from Caribbean Beach. Got all our goodies in here. So we're doing the loop here at Caribbean Beach. We have buildings 24 and 25 to our left. They are the closest buildings to Riviera here, but they are the furthest from the Skyliner over there, and that is only the Epcot loop. If you need to go to Hollywood Studios, you need to grab a different loop. So I would say, I mean, look, maybe you're not that far from Center Market, Food Court. I would say Jamaica 46 and 45 where we are is the best location. You're right in the middle of both the Epcot and Hollywood Studios Skyliner. Just a short walk. You have a bus station and a loop bus station, and the pickup bus station is right there for the parks.
It's not really close to the main dining area, but it's not bad.
We have a bridge that takes us there instead of having to walk the loop, which is nice.
Yeah.
Laundry, pool, not far, maybe a building or two over. This is definitely a large resort, no different than Coronado, really. I mean, Coronado is a very large resort also.
I like Coronado better.
Yeah.
The food options are better.
Yes.
I don't think there's really a whole lot of options. Like, Coronado has like 4 different like cuisines to work from.
Yeah, the fact that the restaurant here is closed right now, Sebastian's, which is supposed to be a really good restaurant, that's kind of hurting this place. When Coronado has Toledo, it has Villa del Lago, it has the pool bar, it has the food court. Well, also the rooms are nicer at Coronado. Like I said from the beginning, the rooms here are in some serious need of refurbishment. The carpet in the rooms, the beds need to have the underbed luggage storage like Coronado and Pop Century do. Just needs a little love.
Didn't get in the pool.
No, we didn't. Got your recreational activities here. Lots to do at the resort. I don't know if you could see the sunset here, but these little areas are so cute. Like, if you just want to come out here and watch the sunset with a nice beverage. I know. Or if your kids were on the other side playing at the playground, you could come over here and just kind of take in the Skyliner.
Seems like Snake Haven.
Why don't you get in there and find out?
Hell no.
No? You love snakes.
Hate snakes.
Had a great stay here at Caribbean Beach. Probably won't be back for a while until they do a hard refurb of the rooms and that kind of stuff. But thanks for traveling with us. We'll see you next time. Bye.